is Chris, and I'm Cindy, and this is our salty dog Trooper and our salty kitty Stella, and we've got some salty tales to tell you. So make sure you continue watching and also click the subscribe button so you don't miss any in the future. We've spent the morning packing and getting ready for a last minute boat trip that we got tickets for, which we'll fill you in later. But this is what he looks like, because he thinks we're leaving without him. He is so sad. He's so sad. Yes, you're sad. Little does he know he's coming with us. Yes, you are. You're going to come with us. So we are going to a fancy weekend exclusive members only event at one of the Safe Harbor marinas. So we keep our boat at a Safe Harbor marina, and anybody that keeps their boat at a Safe Harbor marina knows that you're considered a member, and you can go to the other marinas and take advantage of what they offer, and you can use their facilities. So there is a big event happening in Montauk, New York, on Long Island, in the Hamptons, as I keep saying. We're going to the Hamptons, and we got in last minute. Unfortunately, the reason we got in last minute is because it's supposed to rain tomorrow, but that's okay. We're gonna make the best of it, and this will be Trooper's first big trip, like other than just doing like little 10-15 minute boat rides. So we'll see how this goes. He already has his CBD cookies and his calming treats, but he is not happy. He thinks we're leaving without him. So, yeah. Get excited, baby. You coming with us? Oh yeah, those CBD cookies, they are working. So sleepy. Hello, baby. He has his nautical bow tie on. We had to get Trooper all fancy for the Hamptons too. We do a combination of CBD cookies from like a CBD store, and then we use these with them. These work. He's running over. He thinks he's getting one. Zesty Paws calming treats. They work unbelievably well. So a combination of one of each, and then I'll probably give him another half a CBD cookie for the trip. He should be good. Oh, and we also give him anti-nausea medication too. Yes. Who's coming with us? You, Buffy. I love you. I love you. The total trip is 32 nautical miles. We'll head southeast out of Westport, Connecticut, towards Long Island, through Long Island Sound, and we will end up in the Hamptons in Montauk, New York. We are just wrapping up a couple things, and then we are finally on our way. Are you excited? With the boat, we're going to go for a ride. Tea. It helps with my headaches. I'm having headaches again. And it's on the screen. telling the people, Trooper's a little freaked out. And we're only going 10 knots. And it's really not choppy out. So I feel bad for him. I guess he'll get used to it. As soon as the boat was docked, Trooper was back to his old self again, so he just had a little bit of anxiety. So we took him for a little walk and just checked out the marina, which is the Montauk Yacht Club. And let me just tell you, it is gorgeous. The facilities are amazing. They have a lot of amenities, and it's just very New England picturesque. So we enjoyed a little bit of a walk with Trooper and just checked out the grounds so we could see what the yacht club had to offer. So this marina has a lot of amenities. There's 2 outdoor heated pools. There's like clubhouses and food truck area. And what's BMW? Bell Movement. Welcome.
British Motor Works.
Oh, BMW.
That's not what it's for, though.
No, it is, because they're doing a BMW drive with a special thing with a car.
Oh, really?
3 or something. Yeah.
That's what it is.
That's funny. I'm like, what's BM? Like it didn't.
Yeah.
I'm at a marina. This is really nice. You don't want to keep walking? We need the exercise. He needs the exercise. Okay.
Stopping at the light post.
Okay. Oh, geez.
I figured at this
That's
point
what
in
every
time,
dog
it's
is.
gonna let him.
Yeah, let him lead the way. Oh my God.
Is that enough?
Those tennis courts. It looks like English.
How you doing?
This is really nice. Oh, there's doggy dens. You silly boy, Trooper. He did so good in the ride.
Yeah, you did good.
This is a lot of stimulation.
Give her a hug. She is a prize. That guy better marry her. I better be something.
Oh wow, look at that. That's nice.
Well, that's when we walked by earlier.
I didn't really pay attention to it. That's an Aquila.
Yeah.
Aquila.
Yeah. That's a nice boat.
Cool. That would be a good day trip charter boat. You could fit like 20 people on that.
It's got cabins too.
Yeah, but this is what it looks like when grown adults have too many cocktails and they just want to let loose. Our friend was chilly, so he borrowed our other friend's shawl, and then we all celebrated the shawl wearing. We've never left Trooper for a long period of time on the boat by himself, so we installed a camera inside, and I checked in on him at one point, and this is what we saw. After a long day of cold rain, we finally had a break in the weather and we had the second evening's party to attend. It was quite nice and very bougie, and we had such a great time. And I have to say, the food was absolutely amazing. After a super fun weekend, we had to head home, and although it's sad when we have to leave, it's always good to get back to what we have waiting for us at home.
Happy Father's Day, buddy.
Thank you.
That's not too shabby.
Yeah, that would do.
Yeah, if anybody wants to give us one of those, reach out. We'll answer right away. What do you think, Trooper? I think he's enjoying this little slow ride right now. Uh-oh, boat's moving. Trooper's getting uncomfortable.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire.